an event that marks the completion of another successful academic year, and for our final year students, the completion of their 4-year formative program in engineering and the beginning of their careers.
Representing a wide spectrum of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering areas.
We believe in the need for more and better trained engineers.
There are a number of technologies that might be considered to be traditional that are still very important.
These projects would not have been possible without the faculty's investment into state-of-the-art equipment and ensuring that all labs are fully equipped to suit our needs.